Welcome to the Maverick by Vive Development, where innovation meets efficiency in rental housing development. Vive Development chose Trusscore as a core material in several units, a decision driven by long-term savings and durability. As Stephen Litt, Chief Development Officer of Vive Development Corporation, explains, managing operating costs is crucial when you own and operate rental properties long-term. With turnover costs ranging between $2,500 to $3,500 per unit, solutions like Trusscore help reduce costly repainting and repairs.
So when a resident lives somewhere, we generally want a resident to live here more than a year, right? So let's say it's 3 to 5. Without a doubt, there's wear and tear. In a typical drywalled unit, you simply repaint over the walls. Sometimes you're staining, there's a bit of a process, right? With Trusscore, thus far, you can take a dry erase marker, the marks rub off, and away you go, right? So we have much more certainty on the fact that when a tenant moves out end of the month, the next day, a new resident can move in, right? In a housing crunch, when there's a demand for this sort of product, it helps us optimize our revenue, right? So less cost to prepare the unit, and then no downtime from a revenue perspective.
Trusscore Wall&CeilingBoard provides a pristine, modern finish that withstands wear and tear, reducing maintenance needs between tenants and supporting the Maverick and Vive Development's goal of sustainable, cost-effective living. Maintenance is effortless with Trusscore.
Great incremental investment. If you're concerned with long-term horizons, which I think most apartment developers are, this is a very sound spot to place a little extra money, for sure.
The waterproof, stain-resistant and mold-resistant Trusscore surfaces require minimal upkeep. Just a quick wipe keeps walls looking like new. For developers committed to quality and cost efficiency, Trusscore is more than a building material. It's a strategic investment.
The one regret I would have on this project is not doing more Trusscore. It's seemingly $8,000 to $12,000 incremental investment. Our average unit cost is about $380,000 these days. So, but if you look at, again, the backing off the capital improvement, the caulking, the paint job versus the lost revenue, it pays for itself in a couple of turnovers, right? And our mortgages are amortized over, it's 50 years these days, right? So if you really think about from that perspective, it's money well spent.
Experience how modern design meets operational efficiency with Trusscore in your development. Discover how Trusscore can enhance your next project at trusscore.com/multi-residential.